Get Nika. We are back with another video, and today we are going to have a pack opening. Actually, a specific pack opening. A 3v3 home court rules. Off camera, I was grinding this out, and I said, why not start from the lowest account? We have three. We have three. We have. I already know what you're thinking. Like, what is this? This is because we playing it, you get an advertisement free pack. And then I was like, whoa. We have 3 chances to pull a 108 Klay Thompson in this situation, boom or bust. Then we have like some nickname pack. So let's start it off with the. Wait, I'm gonna put this nickname pack on my thumbnail. So let's start off with the nickname pack. Start everything off. Yeah, it's just like this. Let's do the Matrix. Now let's go ahead. I got 2 of these. Signature boom or bust. Let's see if we can pull a 108 Klay Thompson.
Easy go. Oh, let's go.
Let's go. That's what we do. 105 overall, Trae Young. That's what we do. That's what we do on this channel. Let's go. Of course I'm gonna put some music on that. Of course I'm gonna put music on that. We put a 105 overall Trae Young. Let's go. Let's freaking go, bro. Advertiser award. I think this was messed up. Hold up, guys. It's working. What they said 90 and up. So they clearly lied. I will switch my other account for you guys. So we have the most packs on here. Like, I'm shocked. Look, we got 2 pro packs. Okay, so let's start with this. This is a 91 kill on Linux. Bro, people be pulled that. Like this video for pack look like that. If you like it, you get extreme pack look like what I just did, guys. Now here are the fire packs. Let's only 2 pro packs. No more about packs. I'm just gonna do a bust. Oh, I'm so shocked. Okay, it most likely gonna be nothing. Terry Hutch and Elite. Okay, 77. That's not half bad. Okay, now nickname pack. I chose and moved my 104 account last. See if I can pull. If I pull a Klay Thompson, I swear I'm gonna do a backflip. That's all I know how to do one. Let's do a Black Falcon. Like I don't got him. Let's see this advertisement reward pack. Let's see what we can get. Let's go. Like, subscribe. Like and subscribe for pack look like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bruh.
That's not bad, but it's just that. What's the point? Because like I'm not gonna grind that out. Because what's the point? I haven't had that much NBA cash on this account. So what is the point? To be honest. Now we're going to last account, guys. Hold up. We only have 2 packs in this. I didn't get the advertising pack for me on that account. Let me pick the Iceman. So if we pull a 108 Klay Thompson, I'll do a shopping spree on my next video. I swear to God. Eyes wide open. Let's see. Not bad. Not bad. Like, subscribe, comment, and yep, same old, same old.